Did you know that nearly 60% of people find it challenging to meet new friends? That is a lot of us feeling the same way. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, a hub where aspiring individuals come to unlock their full potential and achieve bigger dreams. Whether you are at a party, a networking event, or even just in a coffee shop, starting a conversation with a stranger can be intimidating. Social anxieties and the fear of rejection can hold us back. But imagine if you could easily connect with anyone, making new friends wherever you go. By the end of this video, you will have practical tips you can use to build connections and make friends anywhere. In this video, we are exploring 12 proven tips to turn strangers into friends. Let's get started. Tip number 1, smile. Did you know that smiling not only makes you appear friendly and approachable, but it also releases endorphins, making you feel happier? According to a study by the University of Kansas, smiling can actually help reduce stress and lower your heart rate. A genuine smile can break the ice and set a positive tone for any conversation. Tip number 2, make eye contact. Maintaining eye contact signals confidence and interest. Keep in mind proximity, within 1 to 2 meters is ideal. Start conversations with people who make eye contact with you, even if it's just for a millisecond. This small gesture can be the beginning of a meaningful connection. Eye contact is a form of nonverbal communication that shows you are engaged and attentive. Tip number 3, use open body language. Open body language, like uncrossed arms and facing the person directly, shows that you are approachable and open to conversation. According to Psychology Today, nonverbal cues play a huge role in how we perceive and are perceived by others. So, next time you want to start a conversation, remember to use open body language to signal your openness. Tip number 4, ask open-ended questions. Kick off the conversation with questions like "Where are you from?" or "What part of town are you from?" These questions invite the other person to share more about themselves and keep the conversation flowing. Open-ended questions show that you are genuinely interested in the other person and help in finding common ground. Tip number 5, listen actively. One of the most powerful tools in your social toolkit is active listening. Pay close attention to what the other person is saying, and show genuine interest. This means nodding, maintaining eye contact, and giving verbal acknowledgments like "I see" or "That's interesting." Active listening not only makes the other person feel valued but also helps you pick up on details that can keep the conversation going. Tip number 6, find common ground. Sharing what you know or asking questions about their background can help you find common interests. For example, if they mention they are from a certain city, you could share a fun fact or ask about their favorite places there. Finding common ground creates a sense of connection and makes the conversation more engaging for both parties. Just a quick reminder before we continue, at Fahtel Growth Tips, we are focused on publishing transformative content that guides you to success and helps you grow in every aspect of life. Tip number 7, compliment sincerely. Compliments are a great way to make someone feel good and open up more. It could be as simple as appreciating their choice of attire or acknowledging their effort in something. A sincere compliment can brighten someone's day and create a positive association with you. Tip number 8, share a little about yourself. Sharing interesting or unique things about yourself keeps the conversation balanced. It could be a hobby, a recent experience, or an interesting fact. This not only makes you relatable but also encourages the other person to share more about themselves. Tip number 9, use the person's name. People love hearing their own name, it makes them feel recognized and valued. The next time you see them, mention their name to show you remember them. It is a small gesture that can make a big impact. Using someone's name creates a personal connection and shows that you genuinely care about them. Tip number 10, be mindful of your tone. The way you say something can be just as important as what you say. Use a friendly and engaging tone to keep the conversation pleasant and inviting. A positive tone can make your interactions more enjoyable and help build rapport quickly. Tip number 11, be authentic. Authenticity is key in any conversation. Be genuine and don't filter yourself too much. Authentic conversations are not only more memorable but also more meaningful. When you are authentic, you attract people who appreciate you for who you truly are, making your connections deeper and more fulfilling. Tip number 12, follow up. If you enjoy talking to someone, don't hesitate to invite them out for drinks or food. Following up shows that you're interested in building a lasting friendship. Staying connected is crucial for turning initial conversations into long-term relationships. So, make that follow-up call or send that text, you never know where it might lead. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are looking for more ways to enhance your personal growth, watch this next video or click on the first link in the description below. In 10 proven ways to deal with rejection and come out stronger, we share powerful strategies to turn setbacks into opportunities. Whether you are facing romantic setbacks, career disappointments, or personal challenges, mastering the art of handling rejection is crucial for your resilience and success.